Okay, we're just getting some stuff sorted. Hopefully everything works properly. Oh, okay, there we go. Um, I need to fix a couple of things. But once that's done, um, I will be doing the update. It looks like we have a tie break situation, so let's see who drops by. Great. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, there we go. Now, I was just fixing the raid stuff from last time. I know I had a glitch. Turns out I just hadn't set it up on certain scenes. Under the raid overlay. Again. Did I miss a thing? Oh wait, is that right? Uh, I'm gonna pop over here. I'm gonna run a test quickly. You should be fine. Why is the raid animation broken? Ugh. Sorry for that. What's going on? Okay, let's properties. Let's do that. Turn it off. And turn it on again. Why is this being problematic? What's wrong? Oh, is it that that needs to be show hide? That might explain it. What in the world? Uh... Why? Let's try that maybe. Screen sharing from chat. Screen switching be ready. Yeah. OBS sources, media state. Save. Oh, I guess I just need to do it once. Okay, so yeah. Okay, and if I test that again, there we go. Walking. It's walking. Okay, that's fixed. Oh. Okay, give me a second and then we'll get started. Hey, Kofi. Actually, now that there is someone here, um, sorry, I just got back from dealing with something. Now that there is someone here, would you mind tie breaking for me? Oh, and I am cardboard. Ah, I must uncardboard myself. So we currently have a tie, which is that one closed. We currently have a tie, which is where's it gone? Which is between these two. Fire or fish. So I need a tie break. What do you think we should go with? Yes, these are the votes. We have um, fire, yeah, using fire as a proxy, but this is going to be harder, right? Because you're skipping a step. You are directly trying to extract phlogiston, which in this case is the name that Takachi has given to oxygen from water directly, as opposed to taking the intermediary step and dealing with fish first. So yeah, which one do you want to go with? Okay, so we're gonna go with the fish. Uh, let's grab. Yep, research. Uh, Thank you, thank you. Yeah, today was a little bit of a day, but unfortunately, it's going to be a bit of a short stream because I have what do you call it? A thing in the morning for work. Not I have a thing in the morning for work, and then I also have a thing in the evening for work, which means that um we are so it'll be say we're not having a stream tomorrow. Let's say we're not having a stream tomorrow because I'm going to be at a work dinner. Because of course people at work decide that it's important to uh, otherwise it's going to be important. Otherwise, like yeah, so that's annoying, and it's in the smack in the middle of work hours too. So not work hours, stream hours. It's like 7 on my time, and I need to get there. So there is literally no chance that I'll be able to stream. Most likely, I'll get the update in, and uh, yeah. Uh, yeah. Yes. And, uh, and thank you for. Ooh, nice. Please, thank you for breaking. Proficiency on Twitch for breaking. Oh yeah. I need to give you back your unethical science buff. Don't know why that's so funny to me. Nice. By the way, Zed, you caught that there's no stream tomorrow? I should probably put that in the notes. No update due to I have the energy today, so I'm gonna try something. Experiment. We have event up. The due to a lack of activity surrounding the Earth. Some people have come to believe that some people came to okay. Believe that too many do, not too many do, not too many. Yeah. Well, different. And once more journeyed with it. They brought along a lot in this uh speaking about the magical resources they believe to exist. Your own guards were uh, and managed to capture the majority, but to escape leave them to their own device. Just not uh, be thinking Prepare party to the hmm. Uh, hmm. Mhm. Uh, 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 hmm. Hmm. Uh, 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 hmm. Oh, misspelled coefficient. Coefficient. There we go. Uh, hmm. Hmm. Uh, hmm. 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 Uh, hmm. uh, hmm. While might have been tempted. Uh, hmm. Uh, hmm. 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 Okay. Um, uh, 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 hmm. Okay. Uh, 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 hmm. Well, I might have been tempted to skip ahead and start the. Uh, okay. Uh, hmm, hmm, uh, uh, hmm, hmm. Okay. Start working on the uh, mechanism as the uh, hmm, hmm, um, hmm, uh, uh, now, hmm, uh, uh, well, uh, while you might have been doing, you recognize the need to approach this method methodically rather than using simple fire as a proxy and attempt to extract a phlogiston from the air into the water. You begin by uh, mm, 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 uh, learning how. Yep. So you begin by confirming the existence of this substance to begin adapting your experimental apparatus. Use with fish is somewhat more difficult than you had initially expected. Okay. Um. Hmm. Uh, uh, hmm. 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 Than initially expected. Before long, you are ready to start adapting to the uh, 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 Hi Gate, how you doing? Work on re that baseline. How have your missions been going? Ooh, nice. Which system for D&D or for Warhammer or what else? Pathfinder? E- Ooh, nice. So you're an Eldar player then? If I remember correctly, Farsight isn't. No, Farsight is Tau, isn't he? Yeah, Farsight's Tau. So you're a Tau player then. Ah. You know what that sounds like? Hey, do you know what that sounds like? That sounds like Heresy K. There is only one true position, Kate. And it is actually the Necrons, because I think that the Imperium are a bunch of a bunch of idiots. I'm not a huge fan of the Imperium. No, I feel like the only way to fix the Warhammer universe is to turn everyone into blanks. Everyone. Do a full reset on the Sea of Souls. That makes sense. But no. Yes. So what I want, basically, I want Trazen to steal everything, and then the Necrons wipe out all the souls. All the Chaos Gods are dead. We wait a few hundred years for everything to. So we wait like a century or so. Everyone takes a big nap, just like the Necrons. Everyone takes a big nap for like 10,000 years, and then in like 60k or whatever, everyone wakes up, and we are not dealing with chaos, which means things can get better. Not Dreadnought. So there's this fanfic that I read a few years ago by Spades. He did a story where someone else from the Dark Age of Humanity survived other than the Emperor. And that guy discovered how to turn people into blanks. And report that guy. Uh, 48, 15. Yeah, the thing is, the Inquisition showed up, and then he turned all of their power armor into paperweights. See, as far as I'm aware, the Emperor's plan for fixing everything was to make all humans into psychers, so that everyone had the ability, like everyone could be like super powerful and all that shit. And I guess that's theoretically a solution. Problem is that has not worked for the past 10,000 years. So, instead of being a dumbass, we don't do the same thing all over again, and we try the other approach, which is fuck you, chaos, and wipe the entire board clean. The initial stages remain white. Yeah, my understanding of the God Emperor of Mankind's plan is he was like, hey, I'm a super powerful psychic Ubermensch. Therefore, if everyone is like me, we win, right? Basically, he thinks that all humans, yeah, that's the thing. Psychers are um are more exposed to the warp, the chaos gods become more powerful if you do that. Therefore, the answer is to not play with the stupid warp fuckery and just completely wipe them from existence. Plus, since the warp is achronal, if we in theory wipe out every soul in the galaxy and we just make everyone into blanks, the chaos gods will be destroyed destroyed retroactively, right? Because blanks hurt chaos the forces of chaos. So if you have a galaxy full of blanks, the entire galaxy becomes a big old fuck you to the chaos gods, and they will be so utterly and completely destroyed that they will have never existed. Problem with that: the last time someone tried to create a chaos god, they created Slanesh. So yeah, this last time someone created chaos god, they did Slanesh. We're not doing that. Honestly, the other plan, which is just unplug the golden throne, the other plan, which is just to like steal the corpse off of the golden throne, probably also would work. Because the thing about the Emperor is that he's a perpetual, which means that the only reason that he isn't back at full strength right now is because people keep having him alive. He needs to like fully die so that he can self-resurrect. So the answer to all of the Imperium's problems is to blow up Earth. Look, it makes so much sense. If you blow up Earth, you free the God Emperor, you destroy the Ecclesia, you destroy the core of the High Lords of Terra, who are all a bunch of dumbasses, and you destroy the core base of the Ecclesiarchy, which will no doubt make the Emperor happy. And you want to make the Emperor happy, right? Similar to the except okay, imagine this. Somehow, like okay, imagine this. Warp drive malfunction, and warp drive malfunction, and like a huge battle barge appears in the middle of the Himalayan mountains, completely destroys the Golden Throne, destroys the God Emperor. His body is completely disintegrated. so his soul is going to remanifest somewhere else in the galaxy. So you get the reverse um, Horus heresy, where all the living Primarchs and all of the living like Chaos Primarchs are fighting each other to find the Emperor. Extra bonus points. It turns out that the Tau are secretly the like a project of the resurrected emperor, because due to the warp shenanigans he got tossed back like a few thousand years back in time, and he appeared on the Tau homeworld and created like the Tau greater good system. And he was like, okay, um the Imperium shit didn't work. I'm gonna try and be a bit more subtle this time. Instead of leading everything from the front, I'm going to like create this network of ethereals who are my in-betweener, who are my go-betweens, and I'm going to give them like principles and shit, and they can try and invent new technology. And because all of these Tau are less psychically powerful, they won't get chaos. They won't have problems with chaos. And once the Imperium finds me again, we get all this new tech because the Tau were able to innovate, and then we integrate the Tau as like a replacement for the Mechanicus, because I fucking hate those guys. Because I think it's in lore, Dome doesn't actually like the Mechanicus. He just needs them because no one else has the the concentrated manpower and expertise required to keep up the technology of the Imperium. So he decides, okay, I'm going to create a replacement for the Mechanicus. And we're going to do this by taking this low psychic ability alien race and training them into like a high tech, um, like a high tech, um, so like a high tech, precision engineering style society, so that we get all the good shit. Uh, Meals that result from your experiment are somewhat more delicious. And the reason why he's been hiding so hard is because he really, like, he remembers having sat on the golden throne for like 1,000 years. So like the reason he's hiding is he remembers having being stuck on the golden throne for so long, and he was like, fuck that, I am not messing with a single damn thing that results in me not getting blown up. Hmm. Hmm. Uh, yeah. Interesting. Still, um, uh, you do see some interesting improve while oh that would be just like 40k. Like the Imperium has a splinter faction of the like Imperium under the New God sorry, the New God Emperor, and the Imperium who believe that the New God Emperor is fake. uh, hmm, uh, 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 so you see some interesting food. While um, wild water plants do see uh, and improve. They do reintroduce oxygen into the not oxygen floor into the water that has been rolled. It turns out to be sick. Necessarily easy to replenish replenish these water in of of the in the water but by here it correctly the water uh, uh, okay, one moment. Uh, hmm. Okay. Uh, 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 hmm. Um, hmm. Uh, 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 aerated water. Um, and introducing uh, small bubbles to it. That confirm uh, as much as anything else that the phlogiston in the water and the phlogiston in the air were the same thing. Uh, and, mm, 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 uh, 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 from there, you start uh, the challenge then is to the piston in uh, uh, from the liquid medium. In doing so, you begin to discover something interesting. It seems that there exists a depleted state of bloodless. Uh, 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 Um, um, Hans, it seems. Phlogiston itself isn't the source of the energy, but rather a medium for it, like um, carrying sunlight uh, in a manner akin to invisible heat, which from plants to animals. Uh, uh, hmm. Okay. Uh, 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 mm, I've completed sunlight. Uh, uh, okay, that is what we have time for today. Thanks for dropping by. Let's wrap up